Hello, Parker Landscape Inc. Company. Thank you, first of all, for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. We really do appreciate it. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Through this video, I will show you what you have going in your background of your website and also comparing it to one of your competitors within your area. I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Your website here looks like this is your website homepage. It's fairly neat. The colors are soft. The downloading speeds is of course good. However, there's not a lot of text content. It looks like you're just using it for portfolios or images to show your services. You typically want to use or see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance into the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. And that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming or spam. An example would be having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords but scattered without any protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. And what I mean by keyword is specific high volume keywords. For example, if I jump into Google and I type in landscaping Fresno, California, and search for your services, that's a good keyword to have scattered around the content of your homepage here. And again, 1,500 is the minimum or recommended. Believe it or not, if protocol is not followed, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and that's not a good sign for your business. Let's jump into Ahrefs here. This is a paid tool, of course. Here we'll view the back end of your website. This is what you have going. If you jump into Ahrefs, type in your URL here. This is what you have going. Looks like organically you're not getting any people jumping into your website. Any keywords, again with the keywords, that's very important, 0. Referring domains, 14. Backlinks, 81. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks, which is here. It looks like you have 81. When you think of the website, it's of the web, I'm sorry, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, that's exactly it. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UART level here. So you should have a meter here if it were to give you power, but it looks like it's not giving you any boost, unfortunately. The DR 2.8. This section here would be the citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like a Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any of those websites out there that allows businesses or business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. That's pretty much what a web citation is. And again, this would be the DR. Ideally, you want to keep the UR and DR in a 1-to-1 ratio. That's just good practice inside Google's eyes. So just be aware of that. Let's go over to one of your competitors around your area, Fresno Landscapers. This is a website here. As you can tell, they do have a lot of content. They're pretty much following protocols. It's a good website, of course. When we look at the background, what they have going, organic traffic, they're getting 259 people jumping into the website on a monthly basis. Organic keywords, 365 keywords again. Referring domains, 94. Backlinks, over 1,000. So the backlink section or the UR is 32. The citations or the DR is 29. It's not in a 1-to-1 ratio, but this is still good to look at. This is still good practice. So I'm pretty sure, I'm confident they have a SEO agency behind them working on this. But this is not beatable or anything. You can see here, I mean, not beatable. This is not impossible to beat, is what I'm trying to say. I see here they are going down in rank. That's not a good sign. So yeah, this is pretty much what we do. If a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, calls and leads. Who doesn't want to see 259, 260 people jumping onto your website for good keywords, right? That's pretty much by your intent keywords. So hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. This is what we do. This is what we offer. If it's just a website you're looking for to have as a separate option or replace your current website. Either way, anything SEO, give us a call. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.